The USS Midway is an aircraft carrier of the United States Navy. It was commissioned in 1945 and served in the U.S. Navy until 1992. The ship is named after the Battle of Midway, a significant naval battle during World War II. USS Midway was the lead ship of its class and the first to be commissioned after the end of World War II. It played a crucial role in the Cold War, participating in various operations and exercises. The Midway-class carriers were the largest ships in the world when they were commissioned. The ship's flight deck is over 1,000 feet long, providing ample space for aircraft operations. During its active service, the USS Midway was home to thousands of sailors and aviators. The carrier played a key role in the Vietnam War, launching airstrikes against North Vietnamese targets. It underwent several modernization and refitting efforts during its service to adapt to evolving technologies. The ship's nickname is the City at Sea, due to its large crew and extensive facilities. USS Midway has been a museum ship since 2004 and is located in San Diego, California. Visitors can explore the flight deck, hangar deck, and various exhibits showcasing naval aviation history. The carrier houses an extensive collection of aircraft, including vintage planes and helicopters.
Could carry quite a bomb load. It had
the ship played a symbolic role in Operation Desert Storm, hosting President George H.W. Bush for Thanksgiving in 1990. USS Midway's final deployment was in 1991 as part of Operation Desert Storm. The carrier was decommissioned in 1992 after 47 years of active service. It was the only carrier to serve the entire length of the Cold War and beyond. The USS Midway Museum attracts millions of visitors each year. The carrier's air wing typically included various types of aircraft, such as fighter jets and reconnaissance planes. USS Midway participated in NATO exercises and other international deployments. It received various awards and commendations for its service, including multiple Navy unit commendations. USS Midway's role in humanitarian efforts included providing aid during the 1980 Mariel boat lift crisis. The carrier's catapults were essential for launching aircraft with the necessary takeoff speed. The USS Midway Museum offers educational programs for students and teachers. The ship's vast hangar deck has been transformed into an exhibit space. USS Midway was forward deployed to Yokosuka, Japan, for a significant part of its service. The carrier's deck crew played a crucial role in managing aircraft operations. USS Midway was involved in the testing and development of new naval aviation technologies. It served as the flagship for various carrier strike groups and task forces. The ship's island features the primary flight control station and navigation bridge. USS Midway had a displacement OT over 70,000 tons when fully loaded. USS Midway was the first carrier to operate the FA-18 Hornet, a versatile and modern fighter jet. The carrier's steam catapults were used to launch aircraft from its deck. It featured an angled flight deck, allowing for simultaneous takeoffs and landings. The carrier's flight dock markings and arresting gear facilitated safe aircraft landings.
you aboard as my guest. I understand you've seen a fair share of our floating city here. You know, we have 4,500
the history of the flight deck and how our flight deck evolved over years time. So here we go. So the flight deck you see right now is actually 40% larger than when the ship was first commissioned in 1945. So you see 45, Midway like that.
These are way more efficient in terms of the amount of space that to develop 53,000 horsepower in a cylinder.